Run, don't walk to Donkey Story Time. Beach Day by Candace Ransom, illustrated by Erica Moss, published by Random House. Summer morning. Pack the car. Follow beach road. Here we are. Spread out blanket, set up chairs, shoo the gulls into the air. Hot sand, run fast, dive in quick. Something tickles, seaweed ick. Hold my hand, be very brave. 1, 2, 3, now jump that wave. Along the beach, pick up shells. Most are pretty, this one smells. Getting hungry, time to eat. Ice cream sandwich, cool and sweet. Shovels, buckets, dig by the sea. Build a castle tall as me. Look what I found, watch your toe. Mr. Crab, back you go. Fun rides. More treats in the park. Turning wheels soars in the air. Cotton candy in your hair. Giant moon looks like a peach. Best day ever. Goodbye, beach. The end.